Welcome to Intermediate Accounting. This video will cover part of Chapter 1, the financial reporting environment. Financial reporting forms the foundation of how businesses communicate their performance and position to the world. In this chapter, we will explore what financial accounting is, why financial information is in such high demand, and how it supports decision-making for investors, regulators, and other stakeholders. We will also look at the role of accounting standard setters, both in the U.S. and internationally, and examine recent trends shaping the future of accounting standards. This overview sets the stage for understanding not just the what of accounting, but also the why behind it. The learning objectives for Chapter 1 are: 1. Define financial accounting and describe the demand for financial information, including the role of general-purpose financial statements, the information needs of financial statement users and other parties, and the factors that influence financial reporting. 2. Discuss the role of financial accounting standard setters in the United States and internationally. 3. Detail the standard-setting process. And 4. Explain 3 recent trends in standard setting: principles-based, rules-based, and objectives-oriented standards. The asset liability approach. and fair value measurements. Let's view Learning Objective 1. Define financial accounting and describe the demand for financial information, including the role of general-purpose financial statements, the information needs of financial statement users and other parties, and the factors that influence financial reporting. Financial accounting involves recognizing, measuring, and sharing financial details about a specific organization with different groups of users, all within the context of legal, economic, political, and social influences. This definition highlights four key components: financial data, the organization, economic entity, the users of the information, the surrounding legal, economic, political, and social environment. The first key element of financial accounting is financial information. This information can be divided into two types: that which follows the rules established by accounting standard setters and that which does not. Financial statements and their accompanying footnote disclosures must comply with these rules. On the other hand, items such as letters to shareholders, management's discussion and analysis, auditors' reports, management reports, and press releases are not directly controlled by standard-setting bodies, though they may still be subject to oversight from other regulatory authorities. The type, detail, and scope of financial information that firms release are shaped by the needs of market participants. Financial accounting equips users with data to evaluate companies and make informed decisions about allocating resources, weighing potential risks against expected returns. This process channels capital to its most efficient uses, linking the demand for financial information with the distribution of limited resources, as shown in Exhibit 1.1. Because capital is limited, accountants report on a company's financial health so investors and lenders can judge the risks and rewards of involvement with the firm. For instance, a bank with restricted lending capacity would naturally favor granting loans to a consistently profitable business over one with poor results. High-quality, transparent financial statements help investors estimate the size, timing, and risk of future cash flows. Still, users must recognize that performance-based pay can tempt managers to manipulate results. For example, when the SEC discovered that Computer Sciences Corporation, CSC, inflated earnings in 2010 and 2011, its CEO was forced to return $3.7 million in compensation tied to the false figures. While most managers report honestly, financial standards and auditing practices are designed to reduce the possibility of earnings manipulation and to protect investors' trust. Okay, thank you for watching part 1 of Chapter 1. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss new content. Until next time, keep learning.